Good morning, students. In this video, let us prove the property of time scaling property. So in the properties of Laplace transform, we are going to prove time scaling property. If x of t is there, scaling here we are doing for the independent variable t. That means x of at is the scaled version. We are finding the Laplace transform of x of at. Now, if x of t Laplace transform x of s, then what is Laplace transform of x of at means? That is 1 by mod a x of s by a. This is the statement of time scaling property of Laplace transform. Now we are going to prove this property. We know that x of s is the Laplace transform of x of t, that is minus infinity to plus infinity x of t e power minus st dt. Right? Here in this Laplace transform, if you observe t, 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 3 times t we are having. This is only a time index. If we have any other time domain variable x of tau e power minus s tau d tau, then also that is the Laplace transform x of s we can consider. That is the one point to be remembered here. And if we want x of s by a here in this expression only one s is there. So left hand side, right hand side we can replace with s by a. So x of s by a, from this x of s we can write it as minus infinity to plus infinity x of t e power minus s by a t dt. So what we are going to prove is Laplace transform of this expression is nothing but 1 by mod a x of s by a. What is x of s by a means? This is the expression. Fine. So first let us consider the Laplace transform of this left hand side expression. Finally let us prove that we should get the right hand side expression from the Laplace transform formula. I am applying Laplace transform here for this left hand side. So Laplace transform of x of at is, from this Laplace transform formula, x of t is this one. We are going to find the Laplace transform for x of at. So here in x of t we are replacing x of at. So minus infinity to plus infinity x of at e power minus st dt. Right. So this is the Laplace transform of this scaled version of the signal x of t. Now here at is there. I am considering at as a new time domain variable tau. That implies to t is equal to tau by a, or dt is equal to d tau by a. Fine. Here in this expression, if t tending to minus infinity, then tau also tending to minus infinity, because minus infinity multiplied by a minus infinity only. So that tau also tending to minus infinity. If t tending to plus infinity, then tau also tending to plus infinity. So first at I am considering as tau. Let us substitute here. Minus infinity to plus infinity x of at replacing with tau, and e power minus s. Here t is there. T is equal to tau by a. So let us write tau by a here. And dt is here. Dt should be equivalent to d tau by a. Let us rearrange the terms in this expression. So here one constant is there right outside of the integral first. Next, minus infinity to plus infinity x of tau is there. Fine. And then in this exponential I am writing like e power minus s by a I am writing this time into tau. d tau. Now observe this x of s divided by a expression. Compare with this expression x of tau e power minus s by a tau d tau. Here x of t e power minus s by a t dt. So both are same expressions with the time index here t variable. Here time index tau variable. That is the difference. There is no other problem with that. So that this expression is equivalent to x of s by a. So that this we can write it as x of s by a. So 1 by a is outside. And here a value, it can be valid for positive values and negative values both. So it is valid for all values of a. That's why we can also write this expression as 1 by mod a x of s by a. So finally what we have proved is we consider the Laplace transform of scaled version of the time domain signal x of t, and we have proved that 1 by mod a x of s by a like this. So Laplace transform of x of at should be 1 by mod a x of s by a is the time scaling property of Laplace transform. Thank you.